Gobble gobble, stats 2 people. Oh god, that's going to sound crazy if I ever reuse this video. So, I am posting this video to describe to you what you are doing for case study number 11. It's going to feel very weird because it looks nothing like what we've been doing in class because it is a part of the Capstone Project. I've decided to kill two birds with one stone and allow you to do the two together. So, what you're going to be doing this week is focusing on, hey, the first two parts of Capstone Project, which is also going to be case study 11. So I have this set to be due on the capstone part of your folders in D2L. If you haven't looked at that, that's right in here. Oh, come on, load. Figures, yeah. But I'm going to be moving these two submissions into a single submission and making them a part of case study number 11, since that's what I've decided to do. So case study number 11 is just you completing these first two parts, this part right here, where you're going to design a survey that will answer these questions. And then once you have this, questionnaire created, you're going to talk about how you would collect data well to do this. If you're having a hard time with data collection and how to do it well, that can be found in chapter 8 of your textbook. And then you're going to look at picking a correct sample size so that you can make sure that you will have enough categorical data for all of these inferences. So yes, no, male, female, and all that and the like, with plus or minus 5% at the 95% level of confidence. If you need to review your confidence interval stuff, you can find the stuff for proportions in chapters 10, 11, and I think 9 has a little bit in there for the confidence interval stuff. Actually, you know what? It's not in 11. It's in 9 and 10. Ooh, let me tell you the right thing. Anyway, so as you look at this, make sure that you come up with questions that will address all of these issues, gather enough data for all of these. The third part of the capstone is going to be you trying to answer these questions that are in part 1 using the data that I give you. Again, data that I give you. At no point will you actually be physically collecting the data yourself. So in here it says briefly discuss how you will collect the data. Not you actually doing it, how you would do it, how you would do it well, how you'd select your samples. Okay? So I'm hoping this is clear. If not, I would suggest rewatching this video, and good luck. You may work with a partner on this, one other person, no groups of 3, or you may work alone if that is your preference. The other thing I want to highlight is if you look at the due date, it is due on Tuesday, so that should you have issues with this or problems getting it to work, you can talk to me about it on Monday and Tuesday. And I hope you have a lovely, break? I hope none of you are bored. I always got bored on break. Peace out, homies.